the courage to make tough decisions, and the compassion to listen to the needs of others. One does not set out to be a leader but become one by the equality of one's action and integrity of one's intent.
Leadership involves inspiring and guiding individuals or group towards a common goal, often by setting a clear vision, motivating and empowering others, and making decisions that benefit the collective. Effective leader possesses qualities like integrity, empathy, and strong communication skills. They act as a role model, motivate their followers, and remain optimistic even in challenging situations. Furthermore, leaders must be able to communicate effectively, make sound decisions, and foster a culture of creativity and innovation.
To everyone present here, it's a pleasure to introduce our Scottish band to perform at the investiture ceremony of Kamal Model Senior Secondary School. The Scottish band, iconic of bagpipes and drum, will add a touch of grandeur and tradition of this special occasion. Their music will surely energize and inspire us as we celebrate the investiture of our new student leaders. Please welcome our Scottish band with a warm round of applause. The presence of Scottish, it is a symbol of heritage, honor, echoing the spirit of discipline and elegance through every beat of the drum and note of the bagpipe. Where words fail, music speaks. The Scottish band speak a language of its own, one that resonates with dignity, harmony, and timeless tradition. May I have a huge round of applause for our Scottish band.
Let us commence our today's program by witnessing our lamp lighting ceremony.
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः त्वं कल्याणसम्पदारोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Now I request our Honorable Principal Ma'am to present the token of love to our guest of today, Mr. R.M. Mola Sir. A huge round of applause, everyone. Our honorable guest to please share his words of wisdom with us.
I have visited almost 9 to 10,000 schools of India and Delhi. But today, I wish I was a student of this school today. I just waited for some time in the hall where your principal madam Vandanaji is going to launch on artificial satellite of ISRO some program. And just I could see the quality, and I appreciate all you students. You are lucky, your teachers are lucky, your principals are lucky to have such a wide and huge professional growth. And this will provide, you will be astonished, the only school in India which had that power at that time. It was a British school. Mr. Gibson was the principal and the school was Mayo College Ajmer. where this program was launched. And incidentally, I was for some time teacher. I was a teacher in that school also. So that experience was only in 7 to 8 clubs. But so many clubs with a purpose. And you are located the teacher, the future, what has to be done? I wish I have seen the development. All country students know your talent on Antarashtriya Ramlila Committee. You already know it very well. Everybody appreciates and want to copy it. But Pamar Sahab, nobody can contact you. And that spirit has inculcated in Vannatan and Ved that all students of the institution should get all the possible growth processes in their education. I am very happy to be called over here, and I wish that these clubs will work in a scientific way, with a definite program, with definite planning. And there is one commission in the country, that is Child Development Commission, National Human Rights Commission के अंडर एक कमीशन है जिसमें बच्चों को उनके राइट्स के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. तो वो पहला स्कूल है दिल्ली का, where you have through these clubs enacted these things. I congratulate you on that also. I want that all the clubs should come with a different, and I'm sure that you will be, as in Ramlila, your culture, your modernity, your art, your commitment has been shown through the country, and through the clubs, you will be team leaders of the Indian schools to have these professional competence in clubs. Thank you so much. I wish a present you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words of wisdom.
Every auspicious event starts with chanting the name of Lord Ganesha. By reciting his mantra, one could be free from obstacles, illness, laziness, and all sort of negativity. So to begin this splendid ceremony, we will together chant the name of Lord Ganesha inside our hearts. Have a huge round of applause.
चलती है आंखों में जिसके दिल में तेरा नाम है, परवाह ही क्या उसका आरंभ कैसा है और कैसा परिणाम है. धरती अंबर उतार है, उसकी नजरें उतार है, डर भी उससे डरा है, जिसकी रखवाली यार है, करता साया तेरा तेरे वश.
Now let's honor the leaders who manage a team of staff members and teachers by providing valuable guidance. They are none other than our coordinators. Let us invite our beloved Principal Ma'am and our guest of today, Mr. R.M. Molla Sir, to facilitate the torch bearers, our coordinators from class nursery to class 12th. Please make a huge round of applause, everyone.
For the coordinators. First of all, we have Jasmeet ma'am. A huge round of applause for her. She's so dedicated to her work. Then we have Mansi ma'am. epitome of dedication, charming personality. Then we have Meeta ma'am, a loving and dedicated coordinator of ours. Then we have Dolly Chauhan ma'am, so hardworking. She's always there with our Ram Leela students. A huge round of applause for her. Then we have Shalini ma'am. Hardworking, dedicated. Bindu ma'am. I would like Gautam sir to please come on to the stage. Then we have Renuka ma'am. A huge round of applause for Bindu ma'am. She is so charming, dedicated, hardworking. Welcome to our school, Renuka ma'am. Last but not the least, Pushpalata Dhingra ma'am. A huge round of applause for her. A huge round of applause for all our coordinators, the team behind all the ceremonies we take place in our school. Thank you so much, our coordinators. We are blessed to have you with us here.
Time has come to introduce our new student council for the session 2025 to 2026. It's an immense pleasure to announce the newly elected head boy of our school, and he is Paras Mehta from class 12th I. Please give a huge round of applause for him. He is a person with dynamic personality who believes that success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. He is a passionate learner with the potential of breathing life into his aspirations. We wish him a very good luck. A leadership is not about titles, positions, or flowcharts. It is about one life influencing another. A leader is the one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Before you are a leader, success is all about growing yourself. When you become a leader, success is all about growing others. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower.
Give him a huge round of applause, everyone. Make it loud.
Moving forward, we have Hanshika from class 12th I to take over as the new head girl. A girl with really enthusiastic personality and moralistic nature. She has brought laurels to the school by participating in various inter-school and zonal competition. We wish her a very good luck. Leadership is not about being in charge. It's about taking care of those in your charge. You don't have to be a great leader to start, but you have to start to be great.
Please put your hands together for our newly elected head girl.
Next, we have the newly elected vice head boy of our school, and he is Kshitij We wish him heartiest congratulations and grand success. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. A leader is one who sees more than others, who sees farther than others, and who sees before others. A leader must be a seer. Have a huge round of applause for our newly elected vice-head boy. Now we have Simran Verma from 11th E to take the charge of new vice-head girl. The girl who is admired of her goals and hard work, who always strive to achieve them with her optimistic outlook. She has also won prizes at different level of competition, exhibiting her talent and caliber. The greatest leader is not necessarily the one who does the greatest things. He is the one that gets the people to do the greatest thing. Have a huge round of applause for our newly elected vice-head girl.
Following the trail, here we have the new sports captain of our school, Lucky Singh Rawat from class 12th E and Anshu from class 12th G. They are committed sports person and have made many valuable contributions to the schools. They are enthusiastic. We wish them all the very best for everything in life. Please let's take a moment to acknowledge their hard work and achievement. May I have a huge round of applause for both of our achievers. The function of a leadership is to produce more leaders, not more followers. Leadership is not about titles, positions, or flowchart. It is about one life influencing other. Do not follow where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. A genuine leader is not a searcher for senses, but a molder for senses. Please, may I again have a huge round of applause. Now it's time to announce Vice Sports Captains. Prithvi from class 11th I and Anshika from class 11th A. They are two passionate and enthusiastic sports persons, and they have been taking part in various sports activities and competition for the last many consecutive years. We wish them the heartiest congratulations and a grand success. Please, may I again have a huge round of applause for our newly elected Vice Sports Captain. Make it loud, everyone.
This is done by dividing the students among the 4 houses according to their roles and responsibilities. The house system ensures that students from different grades and sections come together with a common goal of success. So the first house in our school is Gandhi House. The member of this house believes in the ideas of Gandhiji like truth and selfless service and cooperation. We have Kiran Soni ma'am as house in charge and Monica Chauhan ma'am as co-house in charge. These two will be responsible for managing this house. Next come Diksha Arora and Vipra Chauhan from class 12th I as house captain, and Lavanya Chatterjee from 11th G and Nishtha from 11th I as vice house captain. They will be leading the group all over this academic session. The house prefect of this house is Vanshika Rawat from 12th E, Aryan Brotia from 12th H, Dhruv Rajput from 11th D, Ishika from 11th I, Ashika from 10th G, Mayank from 10th I, Arya from 9th I, Ansh from 9th B, Aradhya from 8th A, Vidansh from 8th A, Arohi from 7th A, Kunal from 7th A, Myra from 6th A, and Prakosh Lamba from 6th B. We wish them our all best wishes and heartiest congratulations. Have a huge round of applause for these champions. Wishing them a grand success and hoping for the good teamwork and results. Very heartiest congratulations to all of them. Have a huge round of applause again, everyone. Leadership is not about being in charge. It's all about taking care of those in your charge. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. The greatest leader is not necessarily the one who does the greatest thing. He is the one that gets the people to do the greatest things. Have a huge round of applause, everyone.
Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Leadership, a good objective of leadership is to help those who are doing poorly to do well. Secondly, we have Vivekananda Sharma from class 12th D and Prachi from class 12th H attaining the positions of the house captain, and Ishani Das from class 11th A and Kavya Chauhan from class 11th E as the vice house captain. They will be directing the members of the house. Now the prefects of this house are Megha from class 12th H, Muskan from class 12th H, Vivek from class 11th G, Tanishq from class 11th D, Sakshi from class 10th B, Nimisha from class 10th B, Chavi from class 9th F, Swasti from class 9th F, Ria from class 8th A, Umra from class 8th D, Prerna from class 7th A, Shive from class 7th A, Mehul from class 6th, Arora from class 6th B, Prisha from class 6th B. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Leadership, a good objective of leadership is to help those who are doing Please join me in offering a well-earned tribute to Vivekanand House. Secondly, we have Make it loud, everyone. Make it proud. Do not follow where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. A genuine leader is not a searcher for consensus, but a molder for consensus. Let us recognize their excellence with a well-deserved round of applause.
Rishu Singh from class 12th B. And for Vice House Captain, we have Mayank from class 11th E and Lakshay Chauhan from class 11th E. They will be leading the members of the Nehru House. The house prefects in the Nehru House are Neil Pramnik from class 12th C, Ayush Chaurasia from class 12th E, Shubham Yadav from class 11th H, Arpita Sahu from class 11th H, Utkarsh from 10th B, Rashika from 10th A, Manvi Verma from 9th I, Yashika from 9th I, Adarsh from 8th E, Sandhya Yadav from 8th G, Shivansh from 7th C, Advika from 7th E, Yashika from 6th B, and Avni from 6th H. So here we have our new leaders from Nehru House. A very heartiest congratulations to all of them, hoping for their good cooperation and teamwork. We are wishing for their grand success in future. Please have a great round of applause for all of them. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Before you are a leader, success success is all about growing yourself. When you become a leader, success is all about growing others. A good objective of leadership is to help those who are doing poorly to do, and to help those who are doing well to do even better.
Let's express our heartfelt appreciation with a resounding round of applause.
Member of this house is just like Subhash Chandra Bose, believing in the freedom of idea and creativity. So let's have a look of our optimist bearers of this house. For this position of house in charge, we have Anju ma'am, and for co-house in charge, we have Vismita Birmani ma'am. They will be leading as the managing system of this house. Then we have P.R. Sharma from 12th I and Shivam from 12th A as house captain, and Monica Kotwal from 11th H and Shaurya Singh from 11th A as vice house captain. They will be leading this house for this academic session. The house prefects are Sukhpreet from 12th I, Mehak Dhani from 12th E, Avni from 11th A1, Shreya Pant from 11th I, Shruti from 10th B, Swastika from 10th C, Ishika from 9th F, Jay from 9th H, Aradhya from 8th F, Sakshi from 8th A, Janika from 7th B, Vyom from 7th C, Atulya Jha from 6th A, and Anshika from 6th B. May I have a huge round of applause for our newly elected prefects and captains. Before you are a leader, success is all about growing yourself. When you become a leader, success is all about growing others. A leader is one knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Leadership is not about being in charge, it's all about the care of those in you are charge. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. May I have a huge round of applause again?
So now, I would like to call our head boy for oath ceremony and expressing his views about his role in the student council too. May I have a huge round of applause for our newly elected head boy.
Good morning to our respected principal ma'am, teachers and my fellow students. I am deeply honored and humbled to stand before you today as the newly elected head boy of Kamal Model Senior Secondary School. This badge on my chest is not just a symbol of authority, it is a responsibility, a promise, and a reflection of trust this institution has made in me. First and foremost, I would like to thank my teachers and the school management for believing in me. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to my parents for constantly supporting me and encouraging me. Together, let us build an environment where respect, discipline, and learning thrive. Let us lift each other. Let us celebrate each other's success and face every challenge with unity and spirit. For this, I want you all to take an oath with me to perform our duties. I request you all to put your right hand forward in pledge position and repeat it after me. Be loyal
Being honored
and dedicated
to
our school.
our school,
Uphold discipline
uphold discipline
and respect.
and respect,
Strive for
stand for
academic excellence. Support and care
Support and care
for one another. Represent our school
represent our school
with dignity
with dignity
and pride.
and pride.
You can put your hands down. Lastly, I look forward to serve you with my integrity and pride. Let us make this academic year remarkable for ourselves, for our schools, and for our future. Thank you. Jai Hind.
That was truly so good. If you loved it, then don't just sit there, make some noise, have a big big round of applause, everyone. After houses, it's time to announce the clubs, which are meant to attract the students of the same interest in different fields like science, literature, and health, etc. This year, we have various sub-clubs. Now, in Frigistra Club, it's divided into sub-clubs. The first one is Geo-Math Club. For Geo-Math Club, we have Chieftain as Mrs. Babita Takyar Ma'am. As Edwin, we have Mrs. Nimisha Ma'am and Mr. Nitin Han Sir. For the prefects, we have Tamanna of class 7th A and Riya Agrawal of class 11th E. The second sub-club is Artistic Maths Club. For the Chieftain, we have Mr. Mohit Chauhan Sir, and for the Edwin, we have Mr. Amit Pandey Sir. For the prefects, we have Vian of class 8th A and Sanskriti of class 10th A. For the Vedic Maths Club, we have Chieftain as Mr. Vijay Chaurasya Sir, and at Edwin, Mrs. Shivani Ma'am and Mr. Shushan Das Sir. For the prefects, we have Anshul of class 8th A, Ronak Kesri of class 10th E. This mainly club focuses on arousing and maintaining student interest and provide opportunity to develop their explorative, creative and inventive work among students. And this club is very much beneficial for the students.
Next one is Declamation Club. For this, we have Mrs. Dolly Mendrita Ma'am as Chieftain, Mrs. Pushpita Nanda Ma'am as Adjuvant, Alaina from 11th C and Sai Sashwat from 8th C as Prefects. The next one is Writing Skills Club. For this, we have Mrs. Vismita Virmani Ma'am as Chieftain, Mrs. Ranjita Ma'am as Adjuvant, Kartik Parihar from 7th D,
Shrishit Yadav from class 7th A and Anshya from class 10th H as the prefects. The next club is the Archaeological Club. For this, we have Mrs. Usha Sharma Ma'am as the Chieftain, Mrs. Pooja Sardana Ma'am as the Adjuvant, and Navika from class 8th E, Himanshi from class 11th H as the prefects. For the Travel and Tourism Club, we have Mrs. Monica Tuppal Ma'am as the Chieftain, Mrs. Jyoti Ma'am as the Adjuvant, Aparna from class 8th A, Garima from class 9th E as the prefects. For the MUN Club, we have Mrs. Priyanka Mishra Ma'am as the Chieftain, Mr. Ajay Goyal Sir as the Adjuvant, Atulya Jha of 8th A and Nishtha Chandel from class 11th G as the prefects. For the Youth Parliament and Electoral Literacy Club, we have Mrs. Pinky Saini Ma'am as the Chieftain, Mrs. Kiran Ma'am as the
we
Adjuvant.
have the first sub-club, that is Vaad Vivad Evam Bhashan Club. For this club, we have Mrs. Hemlata More Ma'am as Chieftain, Mr. Hitesh Sir as Adjuvant, Alaina Sheikh from 8th I and Diksha from 10th G as prefects. The next sub-club is Rachnatmak Lekhan. For this club, we have Mrs. Mamta Tyagi Ma'am as Chieftain, Mr. Dilip and Mrs. Hardeep Kaur Ma'am as Adjuvant, Ansh from 8th D and Ayush from 11th I as prefects. The next one is Kavya Kala Club. For this club, we have Mrs. Anita Tiwari Ma'am as Chieftain, Mrs. Kuldeep Kaur Ma'am as Adjuvant, Simran Verma from 10th A and others from 11th H as prefects. We have the first sub-club, that is Vaad Vivad Evam Bhashan Club. For this club, we have Mrs. Hemlata More Ma'am as Chieftain, Mr. Hitesh Sir as Adjuvant, Alaina Sheikh from 8th I and Diksha from 10th G as prefects. The next sub-club is Rachnatmak Lekhan. For this club, we have Mrs. Mamta Tyagi Ma'am as Chieftain, Mr. Dilip and Mrs. Hardeep Kaur Ma'am as Adjuvant, Ansh from 8th D and Ayush from 11th I as prefects. The next one is Kavya Kala Club. For this club, we have Mrs. Anita Tiwari Ma'am as Chieftain, Mrs. Kuldeep Kaur Ma'am as Adjuvant, Simran Verma from 10th A and others from 11th H as prefects. Bhajan Club. For this club, the first sub-club is Vaad Vivad Evam Bhashan Club. For this, we have Mrs. Rita ma'am as chieftain, Mrs. Yashvi ma'am as adjuvant, Nitika from 7th F and Shweta from 9th G as prefects. The next sub-club is Rachnatmak Lekhan. For this, we have Mr. Anil Kumar sir as chieftain, Mrs. Deepa ma'am as adjuvant, Akriti from 10th G and others from 8th E as prefects. The next sub-club is Kavya Kala Club. For this club, we have Mrs. Minakshi Popli ma'am as chieftain, Mrs. Shivani ma'am as adjuvant, Rudra Pratap from 8th F and Part from 10th J as prefects. May I have a huge round of applause for everyone? Make it loud, everyone.
Green Panther Club. Green Panther Club is dedicated to environmental passion, which means community action. It promotes sustainability conversation and environmental awareness through various initiatives and activities. For Green Panther Club, we have Mrs. Sandhya ma'am as chieftain, Mrs. Anita Singh ma'am and Mr. A.K. Singh sir as adjuvant, Tahani from 8th C and Manasvi from 10th A as prefect. For Road and Safety Club. Road and Safety Club बोल दूँ?
They say clapping burns calories. So let's get fit together. Let's give a big round of applause, everyone.
अभी रुक जाना अभी क्लैप तो करो रोड एंड सेफ्टी ना नेक्स्ट रोड एंड सेफ्टी क्लब prioritize the road safety and community will be in it aim to promote road safety awareness and advocate for safe transportation practice that reduce accidents and injury. For Road and Safety Club, we have Mr. Ankit Rathore sir as chieftain, Mr. Ravi Kumar sir and Mrs. Poonam Shaukin ma'am as adjuvant. We have Ashish from 11th and Payal from 10th E as prefects. Huge round of applause once again. Technology Club encourages students to explore new ideas and technologies, leading to innovative solutions and real-world problems. For Technology Club, we have sub-clubs, and for Coding Club, we have Mrs. Vandana Chawla ma'am as chieftain, Mrs. Anjali and Mrs. Geeta Narag ma'am as adjuvant. We have Adarsh Jha from 8th A and Ridhima from 11th F as prefects. For Innovation Club, we have Mr. Swapan sir as chieftain, Mrs. Ruchika and Mrs. Sonal ma'am as adjuvant, Ridhima from 8th J and Minmasha from 11th A as prefect. For Robotic Club, we have Mrs. Sheetal Miglani ma'am as chieftain, Mr. Gaurav Kukreti sir as adjuvant, Ansh from 10th A and Vedant from 10th H as prefect. Make a huge round of applause, everyone.
Next club is Counseling and Peer Educator Club, which provides mental support, well-being and peer education. It aims to provide a safe space for individuals to share experience, learn from each other and develop skills in counseling and peer education. For this club, we have Mrs. Preeti Sinha ma'am as a chieftain, Mrs. Vegha Vadhavan ma'am and Miss Simran ma'am as adjuvant, and for Jayant of 8th I and Mudra of class 11th D as the prefects. And also Vishakha ma'am as a counselor. Please may I huge round of applause for the counseling club. Make it loud, everyone. Every individual. Now the following club has been divided into sub-clubs. The first one is Photography and Sculpture Club. For the chieftain, we have Mr. Shravan Kumar sir, and the prefect of this club is Gautam of class 11th D and Soumya of class 12th C. The second sub-club is Drawing and Sketching. The chieftain is Mrs. Sanjeevni ma'am, and the prefects are Sahil of class 7th G and Suhan of class 10th E. The next club is Painting. For this, the chieftain is Mrs. Aparna ma'am, and the prefects are Alia of class 8th C, Divya Makhal of class 9th J. For the collage making, we have Mrs. Khushbu ma'am as a chieftain, Ruchi from class 8A, and Kashish from class 9th B as the prefects. For the poster making and paper mash, we have Hemlata Rastogi ma'am as the chieftain, and adjuvant as we have Manya from class 7th A as a prefect, and Kajal from class 9th D as a prefect.
Now the next club is Entrepreneurship Club. For this club, we have Mrs. Kiran Soni ma'am as chieftain, Mr. Dipender sir as adjuvant, Sakshi Negi from 8J and Divya from 11th E as prefects. This club is designed to educate the members on various investments, strategies, and provide a platform for discussion and analysis. It fosters the community of like-minded peoples. It have the members to develop their investment skills and knowledge regarding the same. May I have a huge round of applause for all the achievers? The next club is Disaster Management Club. For this club, we have Mrs. Diksha ma'am as chieftain, Mr. Ayush Saxena sir as adjuvant, Harshit from 8th G and Ishani from 9th C as prefects.
Shaukin ma'am as adjuvant. We have Anshika from 7th G and Sashi Yadav from 10th G as prefects. Along with Mr. Sandeep sir and Poonam Shaukin ma'am. For Library Club, we have Mrs. Deepthi Bhalla ma'am as chieftain, Mrs. Narendra Bala ma'am as Pooja Sharma ma'am as adjuvant. We have Akshat from 7th F and Kanishka from 9th H as prefect. Have a huge round of applause, everyone. Make it louder, everyone. Indian Music Club. We have, for Indian Music Club, we have Mr. Bhagwan sir as chieftain, Mr. Gunanand sir as adjuvant, Leela from 8B and Akul from 9th E as prefects.
The next club is the Dance Club, which is designed to bring together individuals who share a passion for dance, regardless of skill level. It develops the confidence through regular dance and practice. For the chieftain, we have Mr. Deepak sir, and the prefects of this club is Sukriti of class 8th H and Ayushi of class 10th. The next club is the Theatre Club, which provides a platform for students to develop essential skills, foster creativity, and build confidence. For the chieftain, we have Mr. Madhav sir, and for the adjuvant, we have Mr. Dhanjeet sir. Please make a huge round of applause for the Theatre Club.
Have a huge round of applause, everyone, for Somnath Pawar sir.
Make it louder, everyone.
The Scottish band is not just music. It is discipline in rhythm, unity in diversity, and tradition in motion. The presence of a Scottish, it is a symbol of heritage and honor, echoing the spirit of discipline and elegance through every beat of the drum and note of the bagpipe. Where words fail, music speak. The Scottish band speak a language of its own, one that resonates with dignity, harmony, and timeless tradition. Have a huge round of applause, everyone.
Everyone, respected RM Mola ji, coordinators, teachers, and my dear students. According to me, leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality, and it gives me immense pleasure to stand before you today on this momentous occasion, the investiture ceremony of our school. This day marks a new chapter in the leadership journey of our student council and reflects the values of responsibility, service, and integrity that we uphold at our institution. I would like to congratulate to our newly elected student council. You have been chosen not just because of your popularity, but because your peers and teachers believe in your potential to lead with purpose and humility. With great power comes great responsibility. And today, as you wear those badges and take the oath, remember that you are not just representatives of your respective houses or classes, you are role models for the entire student body. Leadership is not about titles or positions. It's about action, influence, and service. I urge each of you to lead by example, to uphold discipline, to foster unity, and to always stand for what is right. You are now ambassadors of our school's values, and your conduct, both within and beyond the school premises, should reflect the spirit of respect, excellence, and compassion. Once again, congratulations to the council members. We believe in you, and we are excited to see the positive changes you will bring. Walk forward with courage, with clarity of purpose, and with pride in your head, pride in your heart. God bless you.
Words and inspiring message. Let's show our gratitude with a mighty round of applause. Make it louder, everyone. Show some energy.
Here we have our head girl to share a few words with us. A huge round of applause for our head girl.
A very good morning to our respected principal ma'am, teachers, dignitaries, and my fellow mates. Today is a day of great honor and joy as I accept the role of head girl of Kamal Model Senior Secondary School. This is not just a personal achievement, but a commitment that I make to each one of you. I'm sincerely thankful to the school faculty for providing me with this beautiful opportunity and for nurturing me into the person I am today. I am also grateful to my parents for their constant love and support. Being a leader does not mean being perfect. It means being willing to grow, to listen, and to stand for what is right. This batch is not about power, it's about service. And I promise to serve with dedication, to put my school's values above all, and to inspire others to believe in themselves. Together, let's prove leadership is not a position, it's an action. Thank you and Jai Hind. Gratitude is not only the greatest of all virtues, but also the parent of all others. I, Hanshika, the head girl of Kamal Model Senior Secondary School, stand before you all as a proud and grateful student to express my gratitude towards all those who have made this event possible. First of all, I would like to thank school management for always encouraging us to strive for excellence. Moreover, I would like to express my gratitude towards our teachers for being our guiding lights, imparting wisdom and knowledge to us, and always supporting us. Your support has been instrumental in our growth and development. Moving on, I would like to show my appreciation for our guests for taking time out of their busy schedules to grace this occasion. Truly, your presence has made this day even special. Lastly, I would like to thank each and every one of you, my friends and schoolmates, for supporting and participating in this event, making this event a grand success. Your efforts have not gone unnoticed, and I'm always grateful for all what you have done. Thank you so much.
Now may I request all the students and all the teachers please take your places for the national anthem.
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध